By the end of this video, you should be able to add a phone frame to your videos for free, so your screen recordings can go from something like this to something like this. That looks way better. So, welcome to ScreenStop. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to add a phone frame to your videos, so let's get into this. Alright, so inside of CapCut, you go ahead, you can insert any background you want. For me, I inserted a black background. So then you click on Overlay, Add Overlay, and then you add the footage you want. Alright, like this. And then, what you want to do is you go to Text, Stickers, and then you go ahead and go to this one, right here. This. And then you click on the phone frame right here, and then adjust its size. Alright, so it can fit like this. And if necessary, you can click on the overlay footage, click on masking, alright, and click the rectangle, alright, and resize it in this on your screen, and you click on this. And you try to reshape it for the phone frame, and you're done. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I know it was a short video, but smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!